it's a false safety thing that I'm going to get an SUV. It's big. I'm going to be higher. Yeah, you're higher up, but you're not safer.
No.
So
I don't think you're any more comfortable.
No.
I think the only car, and again, it will always be out of my price range, I think. Or no, I'll never be stupid enough if I did have the money to buy one. But the only thing more comfortable than that S6 of mine is a Range Rover.
Yeah.
That's the only thing. Like even, and I'm a VW guy, but Touareg, Cayenne, Q7, all the big sort of SUV stuff from the cars that I like, they don't get anywhere near the Range Rover. I just wouldn't ever be stupid enough with my money to buy one of those. But otherwise, the A6 is the most comfortable car. Yeah. They're really good. The A8 is too big to drive and enjoy. It's more of a chauffeur car, right? You get chauffeured around in, so someone else drives you around in it. The A4 is the sort of entry to the